The cabin air filter, also known as the hybrid AC filter, in your 2016-2022 Toyota Prius traps dust, pollen, and pollutants, improving cabin air quality. It's a pleated paper or synthetic filter, typically an OEM Toyota filter, part number 87139E06. Advanced aftermarket options include HEPA-like filters for better allergen capture. Toyota recommends replacement every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or 12 to 24 months, depending on driving conditions. Reduced airflow or musty smells indicate a need for replacement. The hybrid system doesn't affect the filter's mechanics. The filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. To access it, fully open the glove box. Depress the side stops to lower it. Pull out the filter cover or housing. Remove the old filter, noting its horizontal orientation. Insert the new one with airflow arrows pointing inward. Reassemble the glove box. No tools are typically needed. Wear gloves to avoid contamination. This task usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. Regular checks prevent mold growth and costly AC system repairs.